If you have multiple lens sizes and you want to use one filter across all of them, I'm going to show you how to purchase step-up rings and the proper filter size to achieve that. So the first thing you're going to need to get are step-up rings, and step-up rings is then essentially you're going to adapt these smaller thread sizes up to the largest thread size that you need. So right here in front of me, I've got this lens right here is a 67mm thread, this one's a 77mm thread, and this one's an 82mm thread. So you're gonna wanna buy your filter, your threaded filter, for the largest size lens that you have. So in my case, it's an 82 right here. Now, how do you get the 82 to fit on the smaller lens? You have to purchase a step-up ring. So the step-up ring, obviously the theory is this is less expensive than a filter, so you can use your expensive glass across all of them. So on the step-up rings, you're gonna see a first number, that's 67mm, and then arrows to the 82mm, which means it's taking a 67mm thread from your lens and stepping it up to an 82mm thread to allow you to use that 82mm filter. So basically the first number in the step-up rings is the size of your lens. The second number is the size of the filter you're trying to attach to that lens. So in this case, it's a 67 to 82mm step-up ring. And in this one, it's gonna be a 77, because this is a 77mm thread, up to the 82mm filter. And now this filter is gonna work across all three of these lenses.